Are you ready for another adventure through the trails of Oregon? Well, right across that bridge is the Eagle Creek Trail. While this trail has many year-round waterfalls, you also begin to see a few waterfalls at this time of year beginning to dry. But don't worry, as we continue down this trail, we'll eventually encounter some of the most amazing waterfalls you've ever seen. Hey buddy, how's it going? Where's your mommy? Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you.
And I'll tell you all about it when I see you.
Wow, look at you.
We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you.
Do you want to walk with me? Do you want to show me the way? I'm still here.
Your way in the vibe is feeling strong and what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken.
Goodbye, buddy.
Never get lost.
Oh wow, this is dangerous. They say you only live once. You gotta be kidding me. God, I hope I don't fall, but... Let's get this done. Whoa.
And bury my bones, won't you bury my bones beneath these pines when it comes time for you to bury my bones.
Do you guys remember when I promised you some amazing waterfalls? Well, here's the first one. This one is called the Punch Bowl Falls. And here's another waterfall that you'll see at the Eagle Creek Trail, which is the Dewitt Falls. Here the water falls into several water reservoirs at the bottom, which adds to its beauty. This bridge is called the 4.5 mile bridge, which by its namesake serves as an indicator to all hikers of this trail that they have overcome 4.5 miles of hiking. As you continue to hike through the Eagle Creek Trail, you will find the 4th largest waterfall in the trail, named Scoonichuck Falls. As you may have noticed, there's something about bridges that I like. They remind me of the people that have served as bridges in my life that have helped me be the person that I am today. Is your bridge? After 6 miles of hiking, we finally made it to the Tunnel Falls. A passerby once told me that if I kept going beyond the Tunnel Falls, that I would find the perfect place to recuperate before resuming my journey back. And soon I realized that he was right. I had found paradise.
This game of life plays heavy on my heart, and love is tough, loneliness is twice as hard. I'll carry that belt everywhere I go. And they say pressure makes diamonds. How the hell am I still? I've seen heaven without dying at the death, without trying, and they both seem to want to talk to me. But I'm all out of luck now, and my dreams aren't worth the book. Now it's tough trying to land on my feet. This game of life plays heavy on my heart, and love is tough, loneliness is twice as hard. And I'll carry that belt everywhere I go. They say pressure makes diamonds. And every day it's getting colder since that day in October when you told me it was over. So I left. 'Cause if you need me, well, I told you I'm gonna
Thank you to everyone that stuck with me through the end of this journey, and I look forward to having many more adventures with all of you.